charge manual resources. So basically at times you may want to charge manually certain resources to your WIP completion unless and until you have defined it as a part of your resource list in your WIP module in association with your BOM module. You can always do that manually, but it's not a recommended method of doing it, because obviously everything you would have previously defined as a part of a bills of material setup. But I want to show you how you can charge it manually in the WIP workbench. So let's go back there. So there I am, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this move assembly, and within move assembly you see you've got something called as resources. So you click on this resources. So first you enter the step, let's say to move to or I don't know whether it allows us to move back from scrap to move like this, and then you say okay. So I understand you have to okay, now it will allow us. So now manually you can charge something like the resource sequence, and you can associate the charge with an employee. So let's say some employee name, any employee I will select. Okay, so some labor rate you've got to define. Okay, this is better. I say quantity of 1, and what activity, you can choose an activity type. Any reason. Okay, and you save it. Okay, so this is how you do a manual transaction with charging to resources manually. So just as we have looked at how you charge resources manually via the move transaction form, there is another way to do it. You see in this place, in this workbench, this workstation, you have got a button called as charge resources that also leads you to the same place. Okay, and you click on that, this also leads you to the same place, and this is the second way under which you can manually charge, okay, to your resources. So I'm going to clear this off. I just wanted to demonstrate you this is another way of doing it.